welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you why your Snapchat's why is it always going down? Why isn't it always not working? I thought I'm trying to just send a Snapchat to my friends or slash close friends. So I go into Snapchat, okay? But first of all, you can go and add me on the Snapchat. It's the Apple Professional. Just scan that barcode and I'll accept you. You can talk if you want to talk about my plans or whatever. Anyways, so I can't send snaps, and this is a problem with many people and problem with me. I mean, you might have the same problem, or you might just say, oh, Snapchat's working perfectly fine for me, and you can just skip this video. But you should watch till the end. So I just go and I just want to send a snap to someone. I'm going to snap them, or I'm going to snap myself. So the Apple Professional. There I am. So I'm going to send a snap, okay? And it's just going to be on sending. It's not going to send. I mean, I thought it was a problem with my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is being super slow for some reason. But yeah, my Wi-Fi is kind of being slow, but it's also kind of Snapchat's fault because it's their service that's always going down. Oh wait, See, now they just delivered. Now I'm just getting snaps because the Wi-Fi on my laptop, the Wi-Fi on my other devices works perfectly fine, but I don't know, it's just a little bit weird on my phone. So you just might be going and thinking, oh, is it a problem with you? Did you do something wrong? Or is it a problem with me? Did I do something wrong? Or is it a problem with your phone? Did you change some settings by accident? It's just not working at all for you. So it's what happens squishy. So you just go into Snapchat and you look at your stories. It's not even working at all. It's not working at all. So you might be in a situation where it's just completely down. Basically it's Snapchat's fault because Snapchat always has bugs and they always fix them, but they have even more bugs. And it's there's a problem with Snapchat every single week. Every single week there's a problem with Snapchat, and every month there's a problem with Snapchat. I mean, and they're not going and fixing it. They need some time. And their servers are always down. So, and the reason their servers are always down is because they have more cyber attacks, and also there's a high volume of people using Snapchat. So since we're all in quarantine and you just want to text or snap your best friends and your family, you just go sit down on the couch, you just use it, and we all are using Snapchat a lot. There's 1 million users. So their servers are always full, and their servers their servers are being attacked on. So we're having a difficult. So you can't post stories, you can't snap people. None of that's gonna work. So everything is just really slow and it's not sending. But so yeah, that's why it's doing that. It's because servers are being attacked, and we really can't do anything about it because that's not really our problem. We can't fix it, and we've been seeing this with TikTok. Everyone's just wanting to hack them or something. They want to attack them, and it's just been very popular. I mean, maybe in 2014 or 2015, Snapchat has been kind of having this thing where people are cyber attacking them and hacking them, but we just forgot about them, and now we remember them. Because the same issue is happening. We can't send snaps, we can't do anything, and Snapchat's always down, and Snapchat's never working, and it's always having some bugs. It's not like WhatsApp or iMessage where we're Apple and they do every single bug, they fix everything. Snapchat's social media, and they don't really fix every single bug there is. So see, I just got my snap now. There's been some delay. So basically, yep, this was from earlier up in the other room. So basically, if you want your Snapchat to be working, if you're having that problem where you can't send, if you're in a car, if you're moving in a car, it's not going to work as good, or a train. But if you sit at one place it's not moving, you have a reliable Wi-Fi network, it should work. Or else if it doesn't work, it just means that Snapchat servers are down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns about why Snapchat is not working, then go and comment down below and I will be answering your questions or whatever you have. That's pretty much it for the video. If you have, I said that already. If that's pretty much it for the video, please like, comment, share, do the thing, do your thing, do all that good stuff. And subscribe to my channel because every subscriber really is special and it helps my channel immensely to produce more content for you and get recognized by other people. So yeah, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out till then.